right up there, and they immediately came out the street. Has no better advocate than our wonderful Borough President Marty Markowitz.
Thank you, Brad. Thank you, Brad, for getting us together to all be here. I'm sorry that we have to take up anyone's time fighting for something that, in any sanity, would never be proposed to be closed. So, let me turn, if I may, to the firefighters and to really salute all the members of FDNY. You're the pride of Brooklyn and New York City. Yeah. Every day, every one of them. Very proud of them. The message will be heard, certainly by the leadership of the City Council and the Mayor. We know there's tough times. We know that. We know there are budget challenges. But again, the bottom line, the safety and security of our residents. You got to focus on your basic services, because that's what the residents of this city deserve and need, and that is our responsibility.
Forget about it, right? So let's see if we can get that chant right. So let's give this a try. Ready? Forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it.
Obviously, we were interrupted by the real thing. And again, I wish the mayor could go out into our neighborhoods and understand that when that alarm goes off, right then the clock starts running.
Love it,